Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a beautiful 2006 SLK 55 AMG. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 5.4 V8 naturally aspirated, pushing out 355 horsepower and 376 pounds of torque. 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Lighting package with bi-xenon headlamps. AMG black leather interior. Spoiler. SLK 55 AMG badging. Opening up the tailgate. Retractable hardtop. Clean AMG floor mats. Premium package with Harman Kardon sound system. Steering wheel controls. Go ahead and start it up and hear that V8. Navigation. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Ventilated neck scarves. Dual climate controls. Our button for retractable top. Mirror adjustments. Automatic transmission. This AMG has very low mileage, 21,134 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SLK 55 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.